This 1907 Sloan Lake Mansion is a one-of-a-kind place to call home. The entire property has recently finished a large renovation, including updates to plumbing, electrical, roof, insulation, fire doors and walls, and the list goes on and on. The floor plan flows from the living room through the breakfast bar to the brand new kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, quartz counters, and new cabinets. There's lots of natural light, new hardwood floors, a secret closet behind the bookshelf, and the direct access to the fenced-in backyard sets this property apart from the rest. It also features your own designated parking spot, lots of street parking for your guests, a large storage unit, and free laundry. This property is a short walk to Sloan's Lake, close to Edgewater Public Market, breweries, restaurants, coffee shops, and lots of shopping. Be the first one to call this incredible unit home after the update.